Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This studio, I'm Ray. Check it out guys, I got another video for you. Listen, this is more of a quick how to fix your Dyson V10 Absolute or the V10 Animal vacuum cleaner. If you know about those vacuum cleaners, they're excellent vacuum cleaners. They're cordless, very easy to operate. But unfortunately, the battery is not lasting too long. All right, I bought mine over a year ago, and pretty much to the date, after the limited warranty ran out, my battery failed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, this is the battery to your Dyson 10. All right, and if you ever got that red dot I'm talking about, a red flashing light, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, and I'll show another part of the video what I took. You put this on a charger and you see these flashing red lights on your battery and it's not holding its charge. Guys, your battery's dead. That's pretty much it. It failed. There's no way to bring it back. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to replace this battery. Now, the battery, I'll put a link below when you can pick up this battery. Now, if you go to Dyson, they're gonna tax you. All right. So I found the aftermarket on my favorite store, your favorite store, Amazon. I'll put a link below on this particular one that I have, and when you guys click on that link, it is an affiliate link and it does support the channel, and I appreciate it if you do utilize it. Fortunately, Dyson said this battery is supposed to last over 10 years. It's not gonna happen. It's not working. For some reason or another, their battery fails after a year, at least in my case. All right, so I found a inexpensive replacement for that Dyson. So I'm gonna show you this video how to do it. It's real quick, it's real simple. Again, use that link to pick up that battery. Stay with me, let's check it out. Very easy to do. All it takes, one screwdriver, 5 minutes, get the part, and you up and running. Guys, I'm Ray. Welcome back to the studio. This is a how-to, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, and as you can see, as I demonstrated before, if you put your Dyson in its charger and you start getting these blinking lights, your battery is gone, or it's dead, and it's gonna have to be replaced. Now, the Dyson is only being, the battery, I should say, is only being held by 3 screws, 2 on the bottom and 1 on the side. So once you identify those screws, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and you're just gonna remove them. Very easy to come out. They're not that tight. Just get a nice biting Phillips screwdriver. Now, once you get the screws removed, simply tug at the battery, wiggle it out a bit, and it should slide right out. No problem. Very easy to do. Anyone can do it. All right, very easy. Save yourself some money on a repair cost. So I'm gonna put this on the side, and I'm gonna open up the box with the replacement battery from Amazon. Come well packed, and also it's a box within the box. So no worries about your battery getting damaged in shipping. Amazon does a good job in sending it out to you. Now, you're gonna get the battery well packed and some limited warranty information. Pretty much, if anything, disregard it. You're not gonna use it. Again, this is a knockoff battery from Dyson. As you can see, it's a closer look. It's pretty much identical of the battery you have. Little variation in the color, but pretty much identical to it. But I did notice that the replacement battery is a little lighter than the actual Dyson battery. Don't know the reason why. Maybe different cells in it. And as you can see, the little rubber stop on the end is not there, but no biggie. You're not gonna miss it at all. All right. And again, this is for the Dyson V10. Straight plug and play swap. It'll do the job. All right. So, and again, the weight is a difference. So your Dyson is going to be a little lighter. No biggie. I'm not worrying about it. And all you're going to do right now, guys, reverse the process. Slip it in. Check it out. As you can see, I'm demonstrating that the battery is working. You've got the nice blue lights. It's partly charged. And just put the screws back in. And that's it. That's simple. No fuss.
no mess, very easy, and you're up and running. Don't know why the Dyson one failed. A lot of other blogs out there indicate a lot of people are having problems with the Dyson battery. And again, mine's out of warranty, so I even didn't bother calling Dyson, and I just got the replacement from Amazon, and it works just as good. So, and that's it, guys. Very easy to do, quick video. You guys who need the information out there about the Dyson V10 battery replacement, this is it all in a nutshell. You can do it. My Dyson's backing up and running, and again, I'll put that link of this battery. Highly recommend you pick it up. Again, it's not cheap, but it's a little more less expensive than the actual Dyson one, and it works just as well. So again, guys, like, subscribe, check you out on the next one. This is the studio. I'm Ray, and I'll see you later. Peace.